Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have a watch that's Swiss made. And Odin's here waiting for more food, which should be any second now. That's a nice looking box. A box within a box. This box. Ooh, there's the instructions. If you're ever looking, warranty card. Oh boy. Yes. Yes. Victorinox. Swiss Army. Victorinox men's Field Force stainless steel analog. It's quartz. Whoa. I already like the experience so far. Leather strap. Let's get it open. As far as know, the intentions of the person who owns this watch is going to switch it out for a metal strap. Let's move this out of the way and take care of this beautiful watch. Wow. Swiss made. Very nice, man. Wow. Ooh. Look at that. That's a gorgeous looking watch. Oh, I thought the bezel moved. Kind of tricked me there for a second. Squeaky leather. Wow. Let's take a look at the back. Swiss made. Leather 21. Right there. Look at that. I really like the strap. I hope he keeps it. Doesn't get rid of it. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes. This watch is, let's see, from the 50 and 20. You guys saw it was a 42. Lug to lug. 49.5 thickness. Now, because it's quartz, it's going to be nice. Ooh, 10. Basically 10. Nice. Double check on the strap. Yeah. Almost 21. Yeah, 21. Beautiful watch. Beautiful watch. You can get this watch on Amazon for $210. $209.95. Nice, delicious leather. Let's see. Signed clasp. Very nice. Ooh. The crown is signed. Yes. Nice and easy to change the time. It's smooth. Feels good. Multiple language for the days. Get your Friday on. That's tomorrow. Oh, he probably already set the time and I just ruined it. Let's see. Let's go for... Let's set the clock for him. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Wednesday. That's the AM. At 6:20. Ooh, we can hear it. That sounds good. All right. 17th. Very nice watch, man. Beautiful watch. I love it. I love it. Let's give it a good look. Try it on. Take off my Casio. The leather is squeaky, so it's fresh. It's fresh leather. Right there. Of course, two clasps hold the leather down for bigger wrists, smaller wrists. You know, this is nice. I'm gonna have to steal this from him. Ooh, wee, that looks good. Watch features a day-date calendar, monobolic stamped dial, the aluminum bezel. Case is crafted from high-grade hyperallergic stainless steel with an analog quartz movement. Luxurious masterpiece. The Field Force watch is a timeless piece that makes a great addition to your wardrobe. This watch is polished and practical. Bold numbers, hands, combined with Superluma Nova technology, provide perfect reliability for both day and date. 10 ATM, which means it's 100 meters. Get yourself down to 330 feet. It's good for showers and light swims and oceans. But I prefer not to go anywhere near the water unless it's at least 200 meters. Excludes battery life, normal wear and tear, improper handling, damage resulting from abuse, misuse, accidents, or unauthorized repair. So yeah, it's battery operated. You can change the battery. It's not that difficult. Totally forgot. Luma. Wow, even with the other lights still on. Let's take a look without it. Alright, let's try again. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Alright, guys. We'll see you in another unboxing in the future. Thank you, and see you again.